welcome back to AI in 5. As always, I'm your host, Simon Chris, and joining me today from Prague in the Czech Republic is Josef Dvorak. Now, Josef is the Chief AI Officer at Motivate Design, and we're going to be talking about the blockers to AI adoption. Hey, Josef, and welcome to AI in 5. Thanks for joining us.
Hey Simon, hi. Thanks for having me.
Let's dive right into this. We were talking earlier about, your role has been all about innovation, technical innovation over time, and of course that has morphed you into AI. What are you seeing is holding companies back from really just jumping in and fully adopting AI?
Yeah, oh boy, that's a lot of things, right? So I think the main thing is this is not like typical delivery project that you typically do internally, and
Okay.
it's more like innovative project, right? Where you have a lot of discovery to do, and the whole journey is an exploration. There are no best practices, basically, at least in
Yep.
this region. So, like how companies typically approach it, and it's funny because like I work with multiple big companies and they basically try to find their own way, and everybody is following the same path. So basically,
Yep.
like let's buy tools for people and see what happens. Well, guess what? Nothing happens. All right, so let's train the people. Yeah, then they train the people, and well, still nothing. Still just invoices for a lot of stuff, right? But no ROI, no returns. All right, so let's build an AI team. But AI team, typically technical people, lack of capacity, and stuff like that. So still not working. Then starting to go to ambassador programs and like crowdsourcing internally, and then they start doing a lot of proof of concept projects to start like playing with the technology and really getting their feeling about it. That's fine. But then when it comes to putting it into production, then where it usually stucks, because like they go to premature optimization from my perspective, and
Yep.
they are trying to be efficient too soon.
Yeah, trying to get it into
So
production too soon. Yeah. And are you finding, I have a belief, but I'd be interested in yours. Is AI more of a tech problem or is AI more of a business problem?
well, I would say it's typical people problem, right? So,
Okay.
many times with all of the products we've done, yes, technology is important, but mainly all the problems and all the success is related to if you make it work for people, like on both sides, customers, people behind it, sales network, everybody around it. You can have wonderful product, but if you cannot work with people, then it won't be successful, basically. This is the same with AI.
Yeah, okay. That makes a lot of sense. You beautifully articulated over the last few minutes just how the problems manifest themselves of, let's buy and then let's train and then let's. So if a company's just starting out, what would you say are the first two or three things they should do?
Difficult question. Like it depends if you are really willing to invest in it. Because like a year ago, I thought like who's not going to jump on the train now is going to be behind very soon. And like technologically, I think this is not the case because the AI is developing so fast that what I see with many or some of our customers, what they have developed and productivized now, they will probably need to replace very soon with some newer thing. But organization wide, all the learning or the governance problems, people problems, stuff like that, you cannot work around it basically.
Yeah.
So like on one way, I would say like jump right in, do not try to ban it and ignore it because I think like 99% of companies already, the transformation is going on maybe without them knowing, right?
Yep.
Because people are using their personal accounts. We hear it all the time. They're doing God knows what with the company's data just because it saves their time. So just jump right in. And I think it's generally a good idea to have some team to help non-technical parts of the company with identification of what they might do, the inspiration, because
Yeah, the
people
use
typically don't have
cases.
an idea, right?
Yeah.
Show them what is being done elsewhere, and then help them to somehow like productivize it and build it, right? Because
Okay. So
typically
that's
these parts don't, like accounting and legal, they don't have product managers, they don't have people who are used to building stuff, right?
okay. And that's great advice. Look, we're right at time. I love to ask everyone the same question though. Really quickly, what's your one tip for people that are just starting their AI journey?
Just do it, guys, you know. Because
90.
this is here to stay. This is here to stay. And of course, now it's far from perfect, you know, but it's not going to get any worse. This is the worst it will ever get. So go there, use it, learn, and you will see, you know,
Great
that's my view.
advice. Joseph, thank you so much for being on AI in 5.
Thank you, Chris.